Welcome to RPR's Economic Area Search tool. To get started, click your profile photo in the upper right corner of RPR. From there, choose Association Tools and then select Economic Area. This takes you to the Economic Area Search page. You'll see two options, federal and local. For this example, we'll choose federal. Now start by selecting your state. Once your state is selected, choose your geography type. You can either run the search for the entire state or choose a U.S. congressional district. If you choose U.S. congressional district, another dropdown will appear. From there, select the district you want to use. As you make your selections, the map updates so you can confirm you're working in the right area. Once that's set, click Next. Now you'll choose how you want to use the data. You have two options here. Create a report takes you into the report editor where you can build and customize a full report. Create AI-generated media takes you into the AI scriptwriter workflow. We have a dedicated tutorial to walk through the scriptwriter options. Choose Create a Report. A window will appear asking you to confirm the report location and enter a title. You can keep the default title or type in your own. Then click Continue. This opens the report editor. You'll start on the Cover Page tab. This is where you can customize how the report looks before you share it. You can choose the cover image, including the boundary map or your own image. Select View All and add your photos here. You can also choose the cover layout like center aligned or left aligned. Below that, you can select up to 2 available logos. You can also control the contact information that appears on the cover and add a personalized note if needed. If you want to adjust the report content, click Customize on the left. This is where you can manage the sections inside the report. You can expand each section, turn elements on or off, and choose exactly what you want included. You can also move items up and down to reorder the content. As you make changes, the report preview updates on the right so you can see how everything will look. Next, click Custom Pages. This area lets you add your own pages or review any NAR FPC pages already included in the report. When you're finished, you have a few options in the upper right corner. You can save the report as a draft, share it using a dynamic link or other sharing options, or download it. And if you want to rename the report at any point, just click Edit Title. You can reference your report anytime within the My Reports library here. That's the Federal Economic Search Flow in RPR.